Hey, guess what? I have a 2021 Nissan Rogue. Customer complained about noise in the rear from the rear brakes. Okay, this is what I find. I find that the rear brakes, the rotors are grinding. So nothing wrong with the rotors, but the rotor had a grind. It was grinding in here. The pad was grinding into the rotors here. So I machined the rotor. I went to take the pads apart. I see the guy who did it before, the brakes, he put the squeak sensor backwards. See this here? This piece? Right here? It's on backwards. So the shiny spot there, that way it was rubbing. So that running into the rotors while the brake pad was rearing out. So it touching the rotor here. So on both sides. Now this one is on right. This is good. This one has to face the other way. So one of them on the wrong way. See that? So that's where the noise is coming from. Alright, so you leave a grooves in the rotor from rubbing. Alright, so I solved that problem. So talk to you soon. So anytime you do the brakes on the Rogues, they come with this creel sensor in the kit, so you have to put it like that. Don't put it like this. That's backwards. Now you see? This one is right, this one is backwards. Just gotta turn the other way around. Alright, later.